do you acknowledge yourself that a human being is alive because of you?
I think women are blessed. Only women can recreate.
Yeah. This has been the most transformative and difficult learning for me. And as I shared 2 days back, some people will like me, some people will not like me.
Basically, there's nothing in control. The only thing you can control is use.
Today I am here in the beautiful valley, mountains of Bali at our retreat with Kavita. Kavita, who are you? Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Kavita. My name means poetry. So this is poetry in motion.
We can see that.
When I say motion, I also teach yoga. I'm a yoga instructor and I also take you on a journey, mind journey through meditations. And I definitely help people with Ho'oponopono healing, energy healing. And watch out, I am going to be a hypnotherapist very soon.
Wow, I love that. I already see you doing that more
Is
than
it?
yes.
Okay.
You know why? It's your eyes.
Really?
They're very hypnotic.
Okay.
They're very hypnotic.
All right.
It's like when you look into your eyes, when I look into your eyes, I don't know how to explain it, but ऐसा लगता है पूरा संसार है उसमें. आप
Wow.
खो जाते हो, and that is what hypnosis is, right? मयंक बोल रहा है.
That's a nice.
Yeah. आपके पति को भेजेंगे ये क्लिप हम देखो लड़कियां मेरी कैसे तारीफ कर रही है गेम आप.
Actually, it's him who suggested. I think this is what resonates with who you are.
Wow.
Please go do it.
Wow.
So the credit goes to him.
When you say this hypnosis,
Yeah, hypnotherapy
Nice.
course. Yeah.
very nice.
I've just started. I've just finished one level.
Yeah.
Next month I have 2 levels to go.
Wow. It's also your voice, you know. It has एक बहुत ज़्यादा ठहराव है और depth है. You don't push. You are.
I am.
And that's really needed for hypnosis. I was just getting a sense कि do we realize how much we create? You created a human being. Do mothers realize what a God's work it is? कोई नहीं कर सकता.
नहीं कर
Nobody can do that.
Nobody.
Do you acknowledge yourself that a human being is alive because of you?
Yes, I think women are blessed with this, that only women can recreate.
Yeah.
And that's exactly why we are so close to divinity.
That's
We
so true.
feel, we have emotions, we have deep feelings, is only because of that. Because we create life and we give birth to a new life. And life is feeling, emotion.
Yeah. Life is feeling and emotion. You know, in this retreat that we did, still happening, it's still going on. One thing that has truly opened up in my heart is that we feel and feeling is normal and feeling is appreciated and feeling things makes you feel alive. Like the love that I felt in last 5 days from you all, it is life changing. From the staff, I mean the number of things we have asked from them just so that we can keep adding more and more and more essence to the retreat. Many things were not even noticed because they're so small that your attention may or may not go there, but it is adding to the essence, it is adding to the experience. Yeah.
And that's how nature is, right? There are so many things in nature, as big as that tree, as big as that mountain, and as small as a flower petal.
Yeah.
But it accommodates everything and it makes a picture perfect environment.
Yeah.
So we are all part of nature, and it is you
Yeah. And nature
who
is.
created this.
Oh, okay. Wow.
And this is my first
Unstructured.
time.
Really?
Yours? For you, it is. Have you done this before? My first time.
This is what my life is. But I can't make that out that this is your first time. It's just so natural.
I wanted to be natural. I told you when it comes to content. The other day when you asked me to post that reel, what did I say there? I want to be natural and I want to just flow
Yeah.
whenever there is.
So I just want to share something with the audience. We were having a conversation about her wanting to put herself out there in a way that is natural. So while she was expressing that, I was making her video and you actually posted it.
Yeah.
It must have taken courage, right?
Yeah. Courage in the sense, is it perfect? Did I speak the right thing? What captions to put? What hook line will be good?
Yeah.
All of those things, and by the time, अरे यार कौन करेगा?
Yeah. And the last I saw when you posted, you already had 12 likes.
Okay, I haven't seen it.
I did see. I went to take a note of it. अभी तो और भी ज़्यादा होंगे
सकता
काफ़ी.
है.
And I felt so good because
Shall
on
we
my
check?
let's check.
Hello, I'm gonna pause the podcast for you for a second. So let me just introduce myself to you. I am Yuvaka, your mindset shifting coach, and I have an invitation for you. Watching this podcast, do you also feel like I just want to be in a container in an ecosystem like this where I can work on my mindset, just let go of all my limitations and my problems and really align to my goals? Become this person who is head to toe fully aligned with the goals, like you wake up and you have these strong beliefs that I get what I want. I am a winner. If you think that you missed your chance to be in Reset and Bali, then don't worry. We are again selecting handful of creative entrepreneurial people to be in our retreats for 2026. So you will find a form in the description where you can fill in your details. It won't take more than a few minutes, and then you will be in our wait list. So you'll be the first person to get to know about the next retreats, and you're going to be the first person to speak to my team and get selected if you align with the energy of the retreat, so that we make sure that you get everything that you want and more through these ecosystems. And if you're watching it at a time when the next retreats are already launched, then you're going to find that link as well. So let's get back to the podcast, and I hope you feel that energy and receive that energy from the whole environment where we're sitting and doing the podcast, and from this incredible conversation. I love you. Mwah.
Woo, 797.
800 views. 800 views by posting something just in a natural state.
Yeah.
You know, I've been creating content since 4 years consistently. I've just reached this point, just. And imagine this is your starting videos. 800 people are loving you just the way you are. Thank you. उनको कोई
Gratitude.
ऑडियो या उनको कोई ऑडियो क्वालिटी नहीं दिख रही, कुछ नहीं. They're just receiving you.
Yeah, I remember just आधे घंटे पहले मैंने कहा था people will receive what they want, and I will receive
Wow.
what I want.
Yeah. This has been the most transformative and difficult learning for me. And as I shared 2 days back, some people will like me, some people will not like me. I will like some people and I will not like some people, and that's just natural, and I cannot control either of the sides. To have a purpose to serve, that's where you got to establish that the most with yourself. Because if you don't, you will start losing yourself. And somewhere I started losing myself a little bit in the middle of the retreat, because I was trying to think for someone else, and you can't think for someone else. Yes.
I also believe this, that you are not in control of anything. Even in your body, your heartbeat, your lungs, your entire digestive system is just functioning by itself. Can you control any of those things?
No.
No. You can, to an extent, control your breath. That's what we teach in breath work in yoga. You can control that part, but again, you don't have full control, because you can't stop it completely for till the time you want, and you can't even keep going.
Yeah.
It happens by itself.
Yeah.
Basically, there's nothing in control. The only thing you can control is use,
Yeah.
and that's about it.
So, what has been your 3 biggest learnings during Reset in Bali?
3 biggest learnings for me is, I think, first thing I figured out that I should not be judging myself or doubting myself. I mean, the morning meditation that we did, the nature walk meditation, I think when you're listening to your recording, when you were talking about nature and you said the seed doesn't doubt itself whether it is going to sprout or not, right?
Yeah.
And nothing in nature doubts itself. The tree doesn't doubt whether I will be giving sweet fruits or not, isn't it? Whether I'm going to give the best of flowers or not, isn't it? They're not doubting, they're just being themselves. And that's when tears rolled out, and I felt,
wow.
I should not doubt myself, because I am part of this and I am part of nature. right? This is me and I am that. And that's exactly when I was like, wow, this is transformation.
Wow.
At a deepest level, I would say. At
Yeah.
a deepest level. And the other thing that I learned is even if you are desiring something, yeah. So even if anybody desires anything, you need to trust the process. Don't jump to conclusions. I felt, in fact, it came to me from within that you are here for a reason. You're here for a reason, and you came here with an intention. What is your intention? Can you just stick to that and not get carried away with what people are saying or what the energy is flowing? You
Wow.
be in your energy and seek what you
Seek.
came here for.
Wow.
And when I shifted my energy to that, I started receiving. I started receiving from everywhere, from the
Wow.
universe. I started aligning myself with the process that you were doing. Everything worked out beautifully. I cried, I shared, and I touched deepest parts of me, which was so beautiful.
Wow. Did you also feel a sense of strength that something did influence you and you de-influenced yourself and you got back to your ground?
Yes.
That this is what I am choosing. Baki kuch bhi ho raha.
Huh.
Did you feel a sense of
In
strength?
fact, not just strength, in fact, I wanted to tell to others that stay with your energy.
Yeah.
Stay with your energy. Go back to the thought you decided that you want to go for this retreat. And ask yourself, are you experiencing that? And if you are not, then say, what can I actually do to start feeling that, experiencing
Yeah.
that?
How
Right?
about?
Don't go with what is somebody else's energy, what others are receiving, what
Yeah.
others. That also happened, Some people felt that so many people are receiving so much, I am not.
Yeah.
तो वो अलग ही energy है फिर.
Yeah. And all of this is literally part of the process. What we all know that it's a very general knowledge that sometimes negative energy spreads faster, energy of hate spreads faster, and it's consumed faster, and you get influenced by that faster. And something that you said was, I wanted to share it with others that be in your energy. Now, as someone who is positive, someone who is seeing the bigger vision, how about you actually put that out there? Because when there is negative energy out there, somehow people who are positive, they take a step back, and not from a space of I don't want to be part of that, but they preserve their positive energy because they know I have my positive energy. But at the same time, what if we let it flow out? It takes guts.
It takes guts.
Yeah.
Yes. And even if some people are taking a step back, it's just to, feel that alignment again, because I felt it that I was slightly drifting away. And it's like, no, I need to connect back with my intention. And when I did that, I really felt that let me just go about it. And I actually did. On the breakfast table, on dinner table, whenever we discussed, if somebody was sharing something, even from their life, my only intention was to help. आजकल मेरे साथ ये बहुत हो रहा है. Even in my family, if someone says a negative word, I try to correct them. I say, don't fill your cup with negativity. Fill your cup with what you really want to experience. If
Yeah.
you want to experience love, pour love into your own cup.
Wow. Yeah.
If you don't want hate, if you don't want negativity, why even say things that you don't want? People say, मैं तो नहीं सोच रही थी या मैं तो नहीं सोच रहा था. मैंने कहा कोई सोचता नहीं है जानबूझ के. And whatever is on the surface level is just on surface level, and it can be seen by others, but you're the only one who can go deeper. What is that underlying thought which is
Yeah.
playing in your subconscious? अगर आप सोच नहीं रहे हो and if you're experiencing, can you just be present in that moment that what is my deepest feeling right now? And if you can tap into that feeling, I think that will give you the strength.
Yeah.
That's
I
where the strength lies. I do that. I practice this even if there is negativity around me, and if it is triggering me, if it is making me feel negative, I said, of course, your logical mind, like, "Nee, Nietzsche, I don't want this." But then, like, hold on. We don't want this. That is resistance showing up. Now, do you want to give in to that resistance? No, you don't want to give in. What do you do? What do you want to experience? Feel that, start feeling
Yeah.
that now. And if
Yeah.
you want to just create that boundary that okay, you listen from awareness point of view, you just listen to the other person, maybe give that space for them to vent out
Hmm.
and still be there.
Yeah.
Hold space for them, and you don't have to say something or
Yeah.
you don't have to give them a solution. Most of the time people don't want to hear anything from you. No advice, no
Yeah.
solution. It is
Yeah.
just they want a listening ear.
Yeah.
And just provide that and be done with it.
Yes. And that also helps them release that energy that's getting
Yeah.
stuck.
Yes.
I have one last question for you. Would you recommend your younger self to come to this retreat? If yes, why?
I would not just recommend, I'll push her. Because I really feel that I wish
Yeah.
I had this knowledge, this forum, and things like this at a very early age. Oh, I would have been somewhere else.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Yeah. And now you get to be somewhere else.
Somewhere else, and it's fine. Whenever I was
Yes.
ready, I started receiving it.
Yeah. Yeah.
If probably someone would have pushed me at an early age, maybe शायद उसी energy में होती
Yeah.
कि यार मेरे को तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है.
Maybe.
It's not working
Maybe
out for
not.
me. This is
Yeah.
what nonsense it is.
Yeah.
But today I feel aligned
Yes.
and I'm receiving
Yeah. You are.
because I'm ready.
Yes. You are.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
You're
for
a
all your love and thank you for making my first podcast happen.
Yay! First podcast. Virginity
Yes.
broken.
All right.
You're a
Good
beautiful.
job.
You're a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful person.
Hmm.
And imagine so many podcasts. You're getting these mails and
अभी
messages.
तो शुरुआत है.
Yeah.
It's just the beginning.
Kavita, we saw your podcast with Yuvika. Can you join us? We would love
Oh
to
my
hear. We
God.
loved your energy.
It's all in the universe.
Yes.
Tathastu.
Thank you, Tathastu, indeed.
Hug.
Agagagagaga.